Today we're making soy yogurt, my friends. Look at this. Look at this beauty. We made this using our Instant Pot, and do you know what we need for this very complicated recipe? Soy milk. Soy milk and some probiotics. I will show you what I'm using. Alternatively, if you don't have probiotics but you have some yogurt, you can just use a little bit of the yogurt. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it is so creamy and delicious. It's very important with your milk, your soy milk, that it only has 2 ingredients, organic soybeans and water. Trust me, friends, I did this a dozen times the wrong way and it was always a flop, but not anymore because I figured out the secret to making this delicious yogurt. And if you want to learn how I made it, let's get started. So we're gonna grab our Instant Pot, and remember, for the soy milk, there only needs to be 2 ingredients, organic soybeans and water. I'm using my Instant Pot Mini, but you can use any size that you've got. And all you need to do, friends, this is very difficult, is empty the carton after you shake it up really well inside of the Instant Pot. It's seriously that easy. So I'm trying really hard to get everything out of here. We're gonna grab our probiotics. I highly recommend this one. I have tried all different kinds of probiotics. This has the best flavor in my opinion, but you do your own research and you do you. So I'm adding it in there, and then we're gonna grab our whisk. It's very important to evenly distribute the probiotic all throughout this. There is no heating this milk up. This is a dump and go recipe. It literally takes a few minutes. We're gonna grab a cheesecloth and cover it, trust me. Then we're gonna grab our lid. We do not need a pressure cooking lid because this is not being pressure cooked. Press the yogurt button for 14 hours. The next day, I'm gonna just show you what this looks like. Take the cheesecloth off. You might be looking at this and saying, I don't know, is this what it's supposed to look like? Yes, trust me. But we are going to cover it and take it out of there and just bring it to room temperature. I'm gonna put the lid back on and just leave it for 1 to 2 hours. Then we're gonna take the cheesecloth off, and let me show you this, friends. Grab that whisk. Again, everything is very, very clean. All of my equipment is very clean. Give it a whisk. Look at this. And the aroma of this yogurt was spot on. So then I'm gonna show you a great hack for what you're gonna do the next time. But first, this is the money shot. Give me a thumbs up if you're excited about this recipe. Now we're gonna grab a very little jar, one that'll hold about 1/4 of a cup to 1/2 of a cup of yogurt. This is gonna make life easier the next time, friends, because we don't need to buy any more probiotics. Now we've got our starter for the next time. Perfect. Now I'm gonna get this yogurt in my jar so I can put it in the fridge. I really don't want to eat it warm. So just get it all in there any which way you can. I did eventually decide to just pick it up and pour it in there, but look at this texture, my friends. So easy. Set these in the fridge. The moment of truth. How does this incredibly creamy soy yogurt taste? Let's see. I nailed it. There is a tang, my friends. If you're like me and you don't want bland yogurt, you want that that's telling you, yes, it's got some probiotics in there, but it smells very good. Do you like stinky yogurt? Because I don't. I would love for you to share in the comments below what some of your favorite yogurt is. And I'm guessing if you try my recipe, this right here is going to be one of them. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to head to my website and grab the recipe, step-by-step directions, and graze around. And graze, is that the right word? Look around. Lots of recipes, hundreds more coming soon. If you love this recipe, you're really gonna love the next one, and I put it up right here. See you over there.